Kaseng HYC kalapan pau bakam hun setia ke jing to kit ha Kaba Iadei ba ke Jingjia ha Mukroh berkakwa ba ki bedan kiti de ban ke mador no ujal secretary jokan ke Seng ulong ba ke Sorkar kular ban shimkhia halor ke Jingjia hindre ulong ba kitu ke bedan kiti ban siat ikini ki briu minta kidang ya light lan ber ke Sorkar ru kam shim la shim yakino kino kilat penchitom yakini ki briu.
We have seen after the incident, the government has promised that action will be taken. A case has been registered at Nartiang, and even the state government has approached the central for CBI inquiry. But till date, we have not seen any action on the ground. The perpetrators of the crime, particularly the Assam police and the forest personnel, they have not been arrested, or any stern action has been taken against them. So from the beginning only we have made it very clear that those people who are involved in this crime, they should be arrested as soon as possible. From our side, we'll be following up this matter. On the next week, we'll be meeting the SP of West Jingjia district to inquire on the status of the FIR that have been registered at Nartiang outpost, and also we'll be writing to the Chief Minister as to what happened to the CBI inquiry that have been promised by the state government, and why the central government is still not giving its go ahead so that CBI will come into the picture. So we'll be following up with this matter, and we'll be taking it to.
So that means the HYC is not happy with the progress.
We are not happy. We are not happy because it seems the state government is only taking a reaction only when something happened, just to calm down the situation. Actually, they are not serious. If you see the issues, all the issues are remaining pending. If you see the issue of ILP or the Khasi language or whatever issues that have been taken by this government, the Temetor issue, they are promising after a week, after a month, but nothing happened on the ground. So we are not happy with the current situation, and we'll take necessary steps as to see that this issue comes to a conclusion.